To clean minor spills inside your oven, try the steam cleaning feature. Steam cleaning is easy and faster than a self-cleaning cycle. Plus, it helps prevent buildup if done after each spill. Just follow these simple steps. Wait until the oven is completely cool. Then wipe excess grease and soils from the oven. Next, pour 1 cup of water onto the oven floor. You don't need to remove the racks. Select the Steam Clean option on the display, if your oven includes this feature. On some models, this may be a separate button from the Self Clean button. The Steam Clean cycle will run for about 30 minutes. When the cycle is complete, use a sponge or wet dishcloth to wipe off any remaining moisture or food particles from the oven interior as well as the racks. To remove any remaining stubborn, baked-on stains, rub on a bit of non-abrasive cleaner such as Barkeeper's Friend, using a sponge or cleaning cloth. Steam cleaning is an easy and effective way to ensure your oven is clean and ready to help you cook your next meal.